Today we will be discussing about what is an IDE. An IDE is actually called integrated development environment. So this is a software that allows you to write codes. So it allows that this is an environment where you organize your codes to come up with something meaningful. So majorly we'll be focusing on a particular software called Visual Studio Code. So open your Chrome browser. I'll prefer us using Chrome throughout the process. So you type VSC, so that's Visual Studio Code. The very first page that pops up, click on the link. Then by so doing, you should have a page like this. Then you click on download for Windows. I already have the file on my system, so I will now have to download again. So the moment you click on download on your Chrome, at the top right, you should see something like downloading. After that is download, after you get that, then upon successful download, then you can go to your download folder. Here you can access your download folder in any way by just opening the folder tag. Here you can see once you open it, in my own page, this is, for instance, supposing it's open this way on my, let me try to, okay, so you go to your download folders. So there you see list of softwares you have actually downloaded. By so doing, you click on it. So I already have the software on my system, so I don't have to install. Once you locate it, it will be the very first one at the top. So you double click. So to execute the file, you follow the prompt, you accept the license, and once the installation is successful, you get a success message. So by so doing, you're ready to start the course in full. So upon successful installation, you will have a page. This will be the page, and this will be the icon of the app, of the software. This will be the icon, this icon. So by so doing, you can, if the icon is not okay, the icon will be there. Even if the icon did not even come up, you can literally search, click on your search bar, just type VSC. So when you type VSC, you should see the icon. You can right click on your mouse. Once you right click, you can click on pin to taskbar. Because I already have it on my taskbar, if I unpin it now, if I click on it, look at it, pin to taskbar. So the moment I click on pin to taskbar, it will bring this icon to the bottom of my screen here. So by so doing, I'm good to go. Okay, so in your own case, it might be a little bit different, but we are going to achieve the same thing at the end of the day. So once you have it on your taskbar, then double click to open it. Once you open it, you should have this window. This window is the welcome page. In your own case, you will not be having a scenario, you will not be having anything like recent, you will not be having anything like you will not be having all these recent data, because that happens to be your first time of installing the software. So as for me, I already have some projects I've been working on, so that is why I have recent. So now let's move forward. You can see we have option for new file. We have option for open file, open folder, then and so on and so forth. The software is very robust, and it is widely used by professionals around the world. So now you can see the top here, we have the file option, the edit option, select option, and each of these options has their unique purpose. For instance, when you click on file, you can open a folder. From this, we'll be dealing with folder so much. You can open a folder, you can create a file. So just make sure you go through the over your mouse on all the headings. So you go through them, you check what you can actually do with them. Don't worry, don't be too inquisitive. I will guide you through the process anytime we get to a stage whereby we will need to use any of this feature. So then in my edit page, I have my undo, redo, cut, and the corresponding keyboard shortcuts are actually there. So then we have the selection, view, go, run, then the toggle, terminal, and so on and so forth. So, and in my own on my own software, I already changed what's it called, my own navigation menu from the left to the right. In your own case, you should, this page, you are going to be having it here. So I purposely changed my own to this place because I like it in that particular portion, so that when I'm writing my code, I can drag my screen and I can shift this outside the screen and still have enough space to see my code. So that's why. So either you have it here or you have it here. Either you have it here, so it is still the same thing we are going to achieve. So if you want to switch to the same way I've done mine, it is very simple. So you have the options here. You can see toggle sidebar and the like. So if I click on the first one, you can see there's nothing here. If I click on the second one, it will open my terminal for me. If I click on, so you can see, so we have the option. The options allows us to actually adjust the way our Explorer actually looks like. So there's no need for you to adjust your own, just leave it that way. This is my one, I prefer it this way. So thank you very much.